Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a beautiful high bun, and these styling products will help me to do it. We will start with the Bed Head Heat Protectant. It's very lightweight and airy, which makes it perfect for natural hair. My model's hair today is natural. First I want to show you what happens if you don't curl the entire head and don't prepare the hair before building the bun. If you watch reels, it can sometimes give you the false impression that everything is very easy. You might think that the hair already looks straight enough and thick enough, so you can just start putting the bun together without any prep. But look what happens when you actually try to build the bun. The hair is natural and very slippery. First, your bobby pins will start slipping because hair this thick needs styling product and backcombing for support. Second, it will be almost impossible to secure that amount of hair with hairpins. Third, the bun shape itself will look far from beautiful, and you will end up having to figure out how to fix it. So please watch this video carefully and notice that I first slightly straighten the hair through the length so the curls will look neat and polished. Before curling, you can use hairspray. Then I set everything either with Osis Velvet Spray or Osis Thrill for smoothness, and also add extra hold with Osis Strong Hold Aerosol Hairspray. For the final hold, I use Kernel Liquid Hairspray. At the roots, I work with Osis Powder and do some backcombing. This not only helps the bobby pin stay in place and supports the overall shape, but also gives beautiful even volume all over the head. Enjoy watching!
Gives me the creeps, the tingling feeling, insisting there's probably somewhere else I should be, but it's not on my knowing. I started fearing never be. House on the table, getting the stars and the medals, and craving alcohol, but what for? Just trying to keep up. Kids in the driveway, a car by the door, but that's just eventually. That's just eventually, if at all. Don't do yourself dirty, dwelling over 30. Life will come easy if you're in it for the long. It's just eventually.
tears are bitter. Won't take long before I'm back on you. So slow, let the feeling simmer.